Let's be honest, everyone wants to make money online in 2025, and the good news is, it's easier than ever. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there's a method out there for you. And guess what? I'm going to show you 16 of the most effective ways to make money online in 2025. All of them are practical and all have the potential to bring in real cash. But before we dive in, please send me your love by subscribing to my channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Sell digital products. Digital products are a game changer in 2025. Why? Because they require no physical inventory and can be sold repeatedly without any additional effort. Think eBooks, digital planners, software tools, stock photography, or even music tracks. You can create once and sell forever on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. For example, if you have expertise in a certain area, create a guide or template and start selling it to a niche audience. How you will make money: you set your price, and each sale goes straight to your pocket. For instance, a $10 ebook sold 100 times can earn you $1,000. No shipping costs, no handling, just pure profit. Number 2. Become a reseller. Reselling is as old as retail itself, but the beauty of doing it online is that you can do it anywhere. You can buy products in bulk, like electronics, clothing, or even trendy items, and resell them for a profit on platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. How you'll make money: find products at a discount, either from wholesalers or discount stores, and resell them at a markup. For example, buy a phone case for $2 and resell it for $10. It's a simple but effective way to make money. Number 3. Try affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is perfect for anyone who loves recommending products. Simply partner with a company, promote their products, and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your referral link. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareSale are great places to start. How you'll make money: say you promote a $50 product and earn 10% commission. That's $5 per sale. If you make 200 sales in a month, that's $1,000 in your pocket. The key is to find products that resonate with your audience. Number 4. Become an influencer. It's no secret that influencers make a lot of money online. If you have a passion, whether it's fashion, fitness, or food, you can grow an audience on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Once you build a following, brands will pay you to promote their products. How you'll make money: in addition to brand sponsorships, influencers can earn from affiliate links, selling their own products, or even through ads on their social media platforms. The more engaged your audience, the more you can earn. Number 5. Offer transcription services. Transcription is a highly valuable service, especially for content creators, businesses, and podcasters. If you have good listening and typing skills, you can transcribe audio or video files into written text. How you'll make money: platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, or Fiverr allow you to offer transcription services. Rates typically range from $15 to $50 per hour of audio, depending on the complexity. So, 10 hours of audio transcription could earn you a solid paycheck. Number 6. Sell photos online. If you have a good camera and a passion for photography, you can sell your photos to websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or eStock. Stock photos are always in demand, and once uploaded, they can earn you passive income for years. How you'll make money: every time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty. If you've taken high-quality, in-demand shots, the income can add up quickly. Some photographers make thousands annually from stock photos alone. Number 7. Create and sell handmade or custom products. If you're crafty, creating and selling handmade or custom items is a great way to make money online. Whether it's jewelry, custom clothing, home decor, or art, there's always a market for unique products. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Shopify are perfect for getting started. How you'll make money: set your price based on the cost of materials and the time it takes to make your product. Customization options can boost your price. Charge extra for personalization or bespoke designs. Number 8. Sell eBooks. If you love writing, 2025 is the perfect time to turn your passion into profit. Whether it's a novel, a self-help book, or a niche how-to guide, you can publish your work on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Apple Books, or Smashwords. How you'll make money: you earn royalties each time your book sells. Ebooks are incredibly low cost to produce, so most of the money goes directly into your pocket. A well-selling book could earn you thousands each month. Number 9. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products to customers without actually holding any inventory. When a customer buys from your online store, the order is sent to a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. You don't handle any of the products. How you'll make money: you mark up the products you sell. For example, if a product costs $20 and you sell it for $50, you make a $30 profit per sale. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo are great for getting started. Number 10. Sell services or consultancy. If you have skills in a particular area, offering services or consultancy is a fantastic way to make money. This could include anything from business consulting, coaching, graphic design, or SEO services. How you'll make money. Set hourly or project-based rates for your services. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are excellent places to find clients. Or you can build your own website to promote your expertise. Number 11. Create online courses and workshops. Create an online course or workshop. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create, market, and sell your own online courses. Whether it's photography, writing, coding, or even gardening, there's always an audience. How you'll make money. Courses can be priced anywhere from $10 to $200 or more. You earn money each time someone enrolls. A well-marketed course can generate a steady stream of income. Number 12. Monetize a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and if you have a unique personality or expertise, you can build a following fast. Once you hit the required subscriber and watch time threshold, you can monetize your videos with ads. How you'll make money. YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products can all bring in income. Popular creators make thousands a month simply from ad revenue. Number 13. Live stream on Twitch. Twitch isn't just for gamers. Live streaming is a great way to engage with your audience in real time. Whether you're gaming, chatting, or showcasing your skills, you can earn money from donations, ads, and sponsorships. How you'll make money. Twitch users can donate directly during streams, and you can also earn a cut of subscription fees. If your stream becomes popular, sponsorships and ad revenue add up quickly. Number 14. Become a social media consultant. Many businesses struggle with managing their social media presence. If you're an expert at Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, you can help companies build their online presence and increase engagement. How you'll make money. Charge businesses on an hourly basis or offer monthly packages to manage their social accounts. You can find clients on platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, or even through direct outreach. Number 15. Start a podcast. Podcasts are growing in popularity, and if you have a passion or a story to share, this could be your money-making path. Once you grow a listener base, you can monetize your podcast through sponsorships, listener donations, or ads. How you'll make money. Many podcasters earn from ads, affiliate links, or listener donations. Popular podcasts can generate significant revenue from sponsors. Number 16. Become an online tutor. If you're good at a particular subject, online tutoring can be a great way to make money. Websites like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Preply connect tutors with students in need of help. How you'll make money. Tutors can make $10 to $50 per hour, depending on the subject and expertise. The more specialized your knowledge, the higher the rates you can charge. There you have it, 16 ways to make money online in 2025. So, what are you waiting for? Choose one or two methods, get started today, and watch your income grow. But before you start making money online, please subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.